Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by cutting power and confirming simple causes. This saves time. Unplug the TV for 1 minute, then plug it back in to clear transient faults. While it powers down, remove batteries from the remote and test the IR with a phone camera to ensure commands reach the set. Make sure to observe the standby LED color and flash pattern, because those signals tell you whether the TV is waiting for a signal, stuck in firmware boot, or experiencing power rail issues. Once done with basic checks, open the back panel and inspect the power supply board. Swollen capacitors or scorch marks often cause stuck standby. Use a multimeter to measure the standby DC rail. Note the exact voltages the service manual lists, because small deviations matter. While the set is unplugged, receipt ribbon cables and mainboard connectors. Loose contacts can stop the main processor from waking. Make sure you observe safety. Discharge capacitors. You finish by repairing or replacing the failing component based on your inspection and voltage readings. If caps are bulged, swap them for identical capacitance and voltage parts. If the PSU module is out of spec, replace the whole board. Once repaired, perform a firmware or factory reset to clear stuck states, then test multiple power cycles to confirm recovery. If the TV remains in standby, try swapping the main board or consult a technician. And remember, intermittent standby often points back to the PSU.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.